We started the company with my older brother, Andy. Brian and I worked together at another machine shop in town, and our customers actually were asking us to branch out, get more capacity to do work for them.
So basically we're at a show and saw that Milltronics seemed to be a very decent program machines, and the versatility of how the stuff we were doing, how quick it was to switch over to do 1 or 2 pieces to possibly 50 or 100 pieces.
We're primarily a job shop, so it's a high mix, low quantity.
A lot of things we do are a lot of one-off or very low run parts. So Milltronics allows us to switch very quickly.
I really find the conversational programming really easy in the aspect that I wasn't familiar with a lot of the G&M code, so it was really nice to be able to just, okay, call up a drill program some holes and mill some lines to start.
I always look at it this way. Milltronics just takes all them G codes you need to know and puts it on a page where you can read it. So if I am doing a threading cycle or whatever, I don't have to remember all the different letters. It will ask me specifically what depth of thread, what pitch of thread, all that, and you just put it in the page and keep going.
Machines are running great, and that they're easy to program and collaborate with all our employees, and they also had agreed that they were a nice machine to program and set up and run.
The graphics where you can see what the tool paths are actually doing, and then you can actually go ahead and program in that stock size, and you can see how that material is getting removed, and it gives you that extra confidence once you get it programmed and you can see it in the graphics, and it looks like what the part you want to make is.
Milltronics are really good for fast programming, able to switch things really easily. Editing programs is really fast. It allows you to be quick and efficient. And for what we do, that's what we need.
But in the process of having the equipment we have, we've had it, some of them are up to 23 years old.
They're rigid, they're heavy machines, and they last.
They have a good service team that can come in and service the machines. Parts are readily available, and you can be up and running in a matter of a lot of times a couple hours.
Milltronics are great machines for the low volume, high mix job shops along with high production. They have a smooth, seamless control, and I'd recommend them.
We like working with Milltronics. Their machines have been very good to us. Our employees like working on them. Their programming is great. They're a great company to work with.
We do run other equipment in our shop. We have competing mills and lathes that do similar work, but we always hear back feedback is the Milltronics, the programming and setup is always easier to do and quicker than on our competing equipment that we have in our own shop.